Congrats. Thank you. Okay. Aesthetic. Thank you, John. And that was actually like perfect. One full avocado was perfect. Well, a little less than one full. Oh, we're away. Turn down the heat. Put that bitch in for 6 minutes. For 6-7 minutes. So the water boiled over and that one was also cracked, which is not my fault. But I'm getting unlucky. The boiling over was my fault, but it being cracked was not. I'm not changing up the water again. The water is already hot. I don't know. Two cracked eggs is crazy. Well, I have it on like not low heat, but like medium heat. I'm like, I don't want to waste 2 eggs. Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay. You know what? A cracked egg is not a bad egg. It's good for scrambled eggs. Whatever. It's a good egg. Bro, you need to stop trying to boil over. I guess I will cook it on low heat, because what the hell? You are insane. There. I'm like gonna barely have it on the heat for now so it doesn't fucking boil over while I put the eggs in the fridge. I can watch over you, just let me put shit away. I'm good. How about you? Now it's good. It just needed to adjust temperature-wise because I put it on low, but it was still hot from before. That's crazy. What's the luck in getting 2 cracked eggs? One was user error, but the other wasn't. So, nothing much. Chilling. It's good. I like it. But, not on its own. Let's make our coffee. That was real bad on its own. Thanks. I think that's good. Thank you, Stretches. I need a good cup. I need a good cup for my coffee. I don't like a small coffee. I like a big coffee. I think I am going to use just a massive fucking mug. Okay, also I don't remember when I put my egg in because other one. I think I put it at 58 or 48. So let's just say 49 and we'll take it out at 56 or 57. Okay. Thank you, John. Mwah. Now ooh, that's a really nice mug. I really like that. That's a lot, okay? A lot of creamer for a lot of coffee. Also, this is a very experimental egg. I know this one's gonna be good. That one's very experimental. I'm nervous.